This is why we want to target smaller counties. And if the information is harder to find, for example, what I love is when you find a county and it's like you Bill and Ted Excellent Adventures, you went in the phone booth and you went back in time. You know, the county looks like it's from the 80s or the 90s. Their technology sucks. They want to mail you things in the mail. Those are the counties that are going to be awesome because it's hard. You have to do a little bit of legwork to go and do it. So you want to target less competitive counties. Now, how do you do that? Once again, for everybody tuning in, if you like this stuff, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn, how to do this. We got tons of great videos. People have been loving these, the content, and everyday people watching this channel are going out and getting life-changing deals in this business. Some folks buy property for as little as $50 with the techniques that we talk about here. So below the video in the description, obviously I give away the tax deed directory, all right? This has the phone numbers to all 1,500 counties, so you can call them up, see what's going on, and get the list. So that's in the description below, along with the guidebook called the ABCs of Tax Lien and Deed Investing. It's gonna show you exactly how to get started and all of the questions to ask the counties, like the parcel IDs. All of that is free in the description below. You can go get it here today. It's going to help you out quite a bit. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is attend off-season auctions, okay? So this is good because if you're attending an off-season auction, it means there's going to be less people there. So what is an off-season auction? Whenever you have a major holiday, for example, like in Texas or Georgia, the auction's the first Tuesday of the month. So for example, like the Labor Day weekend is often a good time, like when it follows on that Tuesday, because you have people in the county who are taking days off, people in the mortgage offices taking days off. You have less homeowners redeeming, you have less people at the auctions, okay? So that is a huge advantage. So that's what's considered like an off-season type of deal. So this will give you an advantage to secure one of these deals, all right? Now, the next tip for you obviously is to do, tip number 3, is to do the property research thoroughly, okay? What I love about tax deed sales is the fact that it wipes out the mortgages, which is awesome. You can get a free and clear property because remember, the tax lien, this is the tax lien here, boom, it's always the priority lien. So whenever they go ahead and they foreclose, like this watch case, this is the house, if there's a mortgage on it, they were here first, they notify the mortgage company, they say, hey, pay the taxes or we're going to foreclose and wipe you out. So that's why I love this. And a lot of the properties that go to the sale might not even have a mortgage to begin with. And however, some folks will say, well, like, why would the mortgage company do that? You have to think about it. People are human. I'm human. I leave everything till the very last minute. I'm a greatly flawed human being. I leave things till the last minute. And it's the same thing.